Hello guys, I'm back with another video. I know it's been crazy in that crypto space, yeah, but I think we should not give up because you might just eat it this time around, and probably when the market is good again you might just be making profit or cashing out and all. So I'm just going to drop 5 apps I think you should have on your phone if you are into crypto, or you're just starting, or you're planning to make money from crypto without investing much. You get, like, new projects and existing project that have prospects that they can do well. So I'm just going to drop some now, and I have 5 on the list, obviously. Yeah, and I'm going to just talk about them briefly one after another. Okay, so the first on the list now is what's it called, sweatcoin. Okay, yeah, so this is sweatcoin. What this coin does is, sorry, the app does is, it gives you like a coin, you get, for every step you take. You get, in as much as you are with your phone, you are going to earn something from the app. Okay, so it's just like counting your step, like the way Google Fit is, or people with iOS, they it counts your steps and all. So for every step you take, it counts your steps. So yeah, it's actually early here, so I took just 12 steps to grab a bottle of water now. So what this does, let me just walk you through it, and I'm going to drop the description and my referral there, so we can both earn something. So yeah, obviously they run ads because this is what they use to keep the platform active and open. So I've been on this platform for like 4 years now. Yeah, 2018 I opened it, but I never used it until like recently, because now they have, like, they want to migrate into a full-time crypto, so it's more like a crypto app now. So I think you should get this one particularly, because it's just going to be something huge. Yeah, and a very good example is, we can make reference to averagely successful apps like maybe Electronium. Yeah, so this is just like what the app is all about. So currently you can make withdrawals or stuff, but you can buy stuff with your credit. So you can see this. So there's always a bid, and there's always like a marketplace where you can just buy stuff. Okay, so this is the bid aspect of it. Yeah, you can see that. So someone uses 28,000 sweatcoin to get this $500 gift card. All he did was just, all he or she did was work and work, and they're able to make more, much more. So I'm not advising anybody to buy anything, because I think when they go full crypto, you're going to convert your steps into real coin, real token, and it's going to be, it's going to have an actual value. So I think you should just keep them while you work and work and work. It's not going to cost you anything. You don't really need to keep the app open as well. Yeah, all you need to just do is download it and make sure the stuff is running in the background. So you can always donate, you can be generous, you can take steps and donate, to save lives, to help people, and the rest like that. So for every time you refer someone, yes, you earn something from it, obviously. And then there's this daily boost. For 20 minutes it's going to give you like double of your steps. It's going to double your steps. And then for the daily reward as well, for every time you click on this videos, it's going to show a video. If you take 500 steps, then if you take 1,000 steps, it's going to unlock the 2 remaining videos, and then it's just going to like count down randomly, and give you a certain, like, a random coin. So you might be lucky, you might just hit 1,000 or less, but that's cool. So, and this is another. Okay, so someone paid 400 sweatcoin for $20 gift card. We have a lot of digital and physical products, and you can see that here. This is like digital product, and then you can see physical products here. That means you can actually buy something with the sweatcoin, and they're going to ship it down to you. So sorry about the network. Yeah, this is a jewelry you can rent for $10. Oh, it's actually free. Oh, that's cool. Oh, for the first member, then you can just pay $10 for the rentals. Then you have earphones, skincare products, and the rest like that. So the app is really cool. I will advise you to check it out. So let me just jump to the next one now. So the second on my list is Phoneme, and this is just like cloud mining. All you have to do is click on mine, then come back after a week and harvest your money, then click on mine again, and it's just basically simple and straightforward. Doesn't like consume your battery or your mobile data and the rest like that. Then when it gets to like 15,000, you can actually stake, and you make monthly reward. You can see the total network staking right here, and then you can invite people to like earn more Phoneme, of course. So I transferred my Phoneme to this exchange, this LA token or La token. So I'm just starting this one afresh, of course. So you can see the countdown on this side. This is like the time running down. Then if you think it's worth buying premium membership and all those stuff, you can do that, but I'm not into that for now. So another thing you can check that is cool about this app is they actually have a lot of apps and games like in sync with this particular Phoneme or phone mining app. And one thing is they have a mobile marketplace like for NFT. They have like crypto cards, which is also a game. They have a green space. This is it right here. So they have a lot of games, and then you can earn through a lot of ways. Like they have multiple games, but with the same coin, of course. So if you click on like more phone app and games, you can see them right here. This is green space, more like NFT marketplace, and you know what that means. This might go far, and then you're just earning cool cash just because you did something playfully. So crypto treasure, yes, I used to play this as well. Then you have crypto card, green space, then crypto planet. All these platforms are just like strictly games you can play and earn more. So let's just do the maths here. One Phoneme currently is 0.00001607. Okay, and then they are currently trading on La token. So if you think it's worth it, you can just keep bagging them until they go full scale, and then it might just be the next best thing. Who knows? So especially now that crypto is just like going crazy, and also you can see their contact, their support. If you need to know about them personally, you can just reach out to them, and then you make inquiries and do your own findings personally about this app. Okay, so okay, and then yes, you can make invites. I think I've invited up to like 7 people currently, and then for every time they earn up to 10 times, you collect part of the earnings. And then I'm going to drop the invite code as well, so you can just join and you start making cool stuff from this. I think it was last year the coin actually went high, and I saw somebody actually they made real money from this because the price went up. You can check the all-time high and see. So people took profit from this last year when BTC was about 60 something K. So I really think this is it's got a chance. So let's just give it this chance and see. But I'm not advising anybody to pay for anything. But if you think okay, you have extra bucks, like you just have balance on your Google account, you can check out the premium services. Yeah, they are just amazing. You can do the minimum staking for like 7K instead of 15K. The minimum withdrawal is 15K as well. You can turn them to like 7.5 and the rest like that. So I think it's worth the try. You can just give it a try. It doesn't cost anything anyway. So let's just jump to the next one to save our time. So the third on my list, no doubt, is Pi. Pi Network has been there. They've been working on updates. They are mainnet and the testnet trying to go live and stuff like that. So I really think Pi is a good platform because they are actually trying to carry the community members along. There's always like a brainstorm. Community members should contribute to the development of the project itself, which is something good. And I think they have millions of downloads currently. That means they are making money right now from let's say ads and the rest like that, and they're also making money from maybe probably sponsorship and investment and the rest like that. So I believe this project will go far, at least for a start, because they have a positive idea behind, behind the project itself. And then currently they are going through the what's this phase called, like KYC verification. You can lock certain amount of your earnings, so that they are doing that now to prevent people from selling in the future when they eventually go live, because they know when they go live and the price is good, everybody's definitely going to sell. So they are trying not to sell, and trying to make people just stake maybe like 80-100% of your earnings. Then they give you like double of it. You get like 200% interest after like a year. So they are going through the what's it called now, the KYC. People are trying to verify, and if you've not verified, you can just go to your profile. I don't want to go in there so that you can see, but you can just go into your profile, go to the settings wherever you can find on your phone, and then make sure you bind or connect your phone number and your email and probably your social media as well, so you won't lose your mind pie in case you change your device and stuff like that. So you can see the recent updates here. They're always updating time to time, and you're always carrying people along. And then we've seen projects like this in the past do well, even projects that are not hyped like this, even projects that are not, with good ideas like this, they did well to some extent. So I believe this is going to be very cool. And then since it's not costing us much now, it's just going to be on your phone, and that's all. It's not costing you anything extra. Just take it as an app that comes with your phone, and they're not paying you for anything. So you won't be disappointed if eventually nothing happens after this years. So just keep it like that. So you can see the tech updates. They say read and share the May Pi tech and product updates, including KYC, the account features, improvements, and also every other stuff in there. So I advise anybody mining right now, they should keep mining, join more security circles or whatever it's called, so that your earnings can go up. Make sure you commit some of your mined Pi, so that it can go higher. You can like mine more, and always come check the app and check for update as well, so you won't lose out on any updates, of course. So yeah, I know, of course, BTC started in a way people mine BTC with like Pentium and old Windows and stuffs, but now even the best of devices can hardly go on a good hash. So let's just be positive with this. It's just as cheap as whatever you can think of. So just keep mining this. Even if you have one or two, just keep that. So I believe we are good. Let's just move to the next one now. So another awesome platform is dappradar. It's just a platform where you use to analyze, get recent prices and updates on NFTs. But they've been doing well for some times. They have their own community, which if you want to join, obviously you need to have their product token, which means the community is growing, and with time the coin is going to be like worth something and very valuable. So if you have extra balls you have to spare, you can just like join the community and get something. So one good feature about this is, apart from the prices and updates on this stuff, you can link your portfolio. That means you can like link a wallet, link whatever it is, NFTs and all those stuff like that, from different network, of course, like different blockchains and all. But yeah, the main feature that allows you to earn freely and always is this airdrop section. The airdrop is always on, like always on, because as you can see you have this like pancake swap airdrop currently. Then it's going to end in 5 hours. Then the next thing you have is what Matic airdrop, which is going to start in like almost immediately after pancake swap. Then you have those in 3 days, and then if you go down you can see like old expired airdrops. It's always like $500, 400 people, 50, and the rest like that. So you can always participate, and if you're the lucky type, I've actually won a couple of times on this platform, and only, like, it's just so cool. So I advise you just try and join this one, and then you can let's just walk through the ranking and see. This is ranking. Okay. Sorry about my network. Okay, so yeah, you can see the ranking. This is going to show you like everything about the whole what's it called, like the whole platform. There you can see like the major categories, you can see pancake swap, everything. And then if you go up, you can like filter strictly games. You get anything that has to do with game, and it's crypto, NFT, and all. It's going to like sort them for you. If it's gambling, if it's exchange, it's just so nice for you to get like your data and your figures right. And then you can click on network. You can see all the network in here. Like let's see, let's just choose one. Okay, let's just go for Polygon network. Okay. Oh, you can see that. So this is just what this platform is all about majorly, but you can always earn from it. So let's just jump to the last one. And finally on the list, coinmarketcap app is so cool. You get so nice. You already know what it is. Just to get details about coin, the market cap, the prices, and every other thing you need to know about crypto. You have them in here. Okay, you can see the market cap, and you can see the graph. Yeah, there you go. So let's just say, so lastly on the list is coinmarketcap app. It's just so nice. You get your figures, you get everything you need to get about a particular coin at a time, and you can see the graph, see the prices and the market cap, and you can tell without opening it. You can get basic details about it, which is actually cool. So but what makes this nice is they have this diamond stuff, where for every time you are logged in you earn something, and then you can use the diamond earnings to like purchase stuff on the platform. So you can see this. I haven't done this in days actually, and I wasted some of my diamonds and all on old stuffs. So you can see this is 1500 of the coin, and then qtom whatever it is. And then if you go down, you can see like different kinds of NFTs that have been sold out in the past. So I think it's actually a nice, it's a nice platform to try out. Apart from like getting data from it, you can actually make money from it as well, which is also cool. So I believe everybody knows this, but maybe people just don't pay attention to it enough. But yeah, you can still earn something, some rare piece, make money enough from this NFT aspect. And then if you check the web on the CoinMarketCap, there's always a section for what's it called, for airdrops and all like that. So you can always check and try it out and win something. I won my first the first thing I won here was, I think, key from Mbox. Yes, and it was worth like $200 way back. So that was what I got first from this platform. So I believe, yeah, it's still cool, and you can still make your cool cash from this place. So just forget about the lead board or whatever. Just work on yourself and make as many as you can bag. Keep making them, because you don't know, in the nearest future something good might actually happen.